Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you two topics. One is I'm going to share with you my new blend of my milk syrup, and I'm going to call this Chao half and half, or a homemade half and half. Second, I'm going to share with you a new coffee recipe. I'm going to call it iced espresso. So simple, so easy, so delicious. And this is a toss between latte and Americano. As usual, I'm going to show you iced coffee. We are going to use a 16-ounce cup. In previous videos, I've shown you how to make milk syrup, and I used 2 cans of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. Today, we are going to make a different blend, so it will be less sweet. So I'm going to show you my version of half and half. This time, I'm going to use 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk. You can use any brand that you have available in your market or that you like. But bear in mind that different brands give different tastes. Some taste better than the others, so you must do some experiment on the brands of evaporated and condensed milk. So for this, I'm going to use 1:1, so it should be less sweet, and I'm going to make espresso drink. This time, it's going to be more like coffee with milk. A little bit of milk, but a lot of coffee. For this, I am going to use espresso, and I'm going to use a 2-shot basket. That means 2-shot coffee. So for this 2-shot, I am going to pull 4 ounces of coffee. So it's going to be a long shot, and it's going to be strong. Because it's a 4 ounces espresso, it takes a little bit of time. Bear with me. So here's our beautiful espresso shots, really strong with 4 ounces. And we are going to mix our drinks. Beautiful iced espresso. Not quite latte, stronger coffee, not quite cappuccino because there's no milk foam. Let's give it a try. Wow, very strong coffee with a touch of sweetness from our homemade half and half. Try this recipe at home. You can also introduce this in your coffee shop if you are using an espresso machine. If you're using a regular brewed coffee, there's a different recipe for this. I'm going to show you that in our next video tutorials. That's all I want to share with you today. I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. In the meantime, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.